Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest account. So now let's get started. First of all, launch Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now once you come here, you'll see two of these options. So I'm just going to tap on sign up in order to create my Pinterest account. Now over here, simply start by entering your email address. Okay, here we go. Now simply tap on next at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, you have to create a password for your Pinterest account. Make sure that your password is strong enough. After this, simply tap on the option of next again. Now once you come to this page, you can also modify your username according to your preference. After changing your username, tap on update. Okay, here we go. Now simply enter your birth date over here. Now let me choose my birth date. Now after this, simply tap on next at the bottom again. Now over here, you have to select your gender according to your preference. After this, you have to choose your country and region from where you are located. After this, tap on the option of next at the bottom again. Now once you come to this page, you have to pick 5 categories in order to customize your Pinterest feed. So let me choose these 5 categories. You can scroll down to see other various options as well. After choosing the categories, simply tap on the option of Meet Your Home Feed so that once you open your Pinterest feed, these categories will be displayed on your Pinterest account's feed. Now tap on Meet Your Home Feed, and you may have to wait for some time. Now over here, you can see your Pinterest feed, and it has been customized according to the categories you had selected earlier. So that's how simply you can create your Pinterest account. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.